Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world you know there. You know, as usual, me always I take on down a memory lane. The other day, my son in a bathroom, you know, I brushing teeth. And the little boy ball out to me, "Mom, the toothpaste done." When me run go look, them see the picnic with this here. But me I say, what toothpaste not done? Him a look for me like say me no have no sense. So me just back off the cover and me do a thing like this and me squeeze it from me bottom and me squeeze it and me come up and me get lick like tap and me say put that on your toothbrush. He still a look for me. So me have to tell him say listen, back in idea you know, and that is for some of we where the privilege we have toothpaste and toothbrush and all of we, because in a family district when me grow up me used to see people I use chew stick. So when me put it on it, me tell him say back in idea and that we have to use, and me tell him say and you know tap this so if you squeeze your pan you not get enough, you take a scissors and you cut it like this. And you know someone don't understand what me I say. And when you open it now out like this, you have to take your toothbrush and you have to put it there and mix it around and take out all like toothpaste in there. Then you can brush your teeth. Let me tell you something. Them you have memories, you know. Drop a line below man and tell me if you no can relate to this. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, night, any which part of the world on a day.